Meanwhile, church leaders are urgently appealing for psychologists and other professionals to partner with them as they address the widespread trauma now in the country. It comes as church leaders predict tough months for Jamaica. Kelisha Williams has that story.
The church is where many would seek refuge in times of trials and tribulations. But what do people do when the churches crumble under pressure? Literally. Take the St. Peter's Anglican Church in Trelawney, for example, a national monument, over 200 years of history, gone with hurricane force winds.
All the speakers are now water damaged. The microphones, whatever fans we have, all of those are damaged. Refrigerator that we had, that was stolen. So pretty much everything. The mixer system or the system upstairs, that's waterlogged, so that's not good.
And the vestry has also been damaged.
The vestry is totally damaged. Everything was taken out, was vandalized, and what is left in there really need repairs.
It is one of over 50 churches in western parishes that have either been damaged or destroyed after Hurricane Melissa so far.
And some places I haven't counted in the list. So it's a massive task ahead in terms when we begin to look at that, but that we haven't looked at in terms of what we will repair or rebuild.
The widespread devastation has also hampered how the church usually assists in providing relief during the time of disaster.
And even on Sunday, some of us took things out that people who are in need could use. So that has to be the main priority and is the main priority for us. And it's not just about members, we're looking at the community.
While the future of many churches remains grim, Bishop in the Anglican Church, Leon Golding, explained that the support of the church as a united group is needed now more than ever, especially in addressing the trauma in the country.
Because we haven't fully recovered from COVID, and then we had burial last year, so it's a complication of trauma that we're talking about. Now, we're not clinical counselors, we're pastoral counselors, so we can help people in terms of how they're understanding their relationship with God. Where is God in all of this? You know, does God care? Those are some of the issues that we have to help people to come to terms with.
Which is why the church leaders are appealing for more medical health professionals to join forces with them.
We have already started, as Bishop Leon says, to work with the Jamaica Council of Churches. And so there are some existing counseling sites like Family Life Ministries, Bethel Baptist Church, Ridgemont, Webster Memorial, and so on. They already have established sites.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.